What's up everybody, Lucas here. So today I am going to learn 3 new tricks. I am going to be learning them right here inside right now for you guys. Now these are 3 tricks that I probably should have learned long ago, but you guys know me, I skip steps a lot of the times and that's what I did, but you know what, enough's enough. We're going back, we're learning these 3 tricks. Alright, so with that being said, let's get started learning these 3 new tricks. Man, what is with this hair? But you gotta focus. So I'm planning on starting with the most basic one, the easiest one, the one I think is going to be the easiest to achieve first, and then we're going to move on from there. So we're starting with the basic one. Believe it or not, I never learned this, so I don't know the technique behind this move. The front sweep. Now real quick before we get started, to learn all of these moves, I am using tutorials from Kojo's Trick Lab. If you don't know what Kojo's Trick Lab is, it's literally like the best place in the world to learn tricking. If you're serious about getting into tricking, they have a ton of tutorials for beginner, intermediate, advanced, extreme level advanced too. Now it is subscription based, so you pay a monthly fee to get access to all of these videos. Not just tricking videos, there's a ton of bonus videos on there too. Now with that being said, they redid the website. It's now updated. Also, there has already been a ton of positive feedback on Kojo's Tricking Lab. If you haven't seen already, comments under plenty of tricking related videos of people saying how good this freaking website is for learning tricking. But seriously, if you're serious about really diving into tricking and you want to go from beginner, intermediate, advanced, and so on, kojostricklab.com. Sorry for the commercial, but seriously, it's a great resource. I didn't even do it justice in the explanation right now. Other than that, I'm gonna learn the front sweep, but right now, let's go. Whoop. Okay, don't hit the fan, man. You gotta move this out of the way. The front sweep. Let's do this. Oh, that's it right there. So my problem was, I think I wanted to go like this or something, I don't know. But you actually like fall back here and then whop around and then up. Oh, and then just rotate on the knee, kind of like that. All right. Oh, all right. I think that's right. Wind up. Yeah. I think that's right. Is that right? Ooh, that's cool. That's good enough. All right, we're speed learning around here. Okay, it can't be perfect. Let's move on to number 2. Now this one's a little bit more beginner to maybe beginner intermediate. This is one I should have learned a long time ago, man. Like this is like a tutorial I literally should have made. But why didn't I learn this? I wanted to learn the 540 kick, I guess, so I learned that. And then I was like, man, that's good enough. But why didn't I go for this cheat set? Like what? Kojo's Trick Lab. Look at that. Boom. Right here. They have a search bar up there if you want to pop that in, but literally it's in the beginner moves. Oh. So it is a beginner move. Alright, so I'm going to try to learn this fast. Man, hopefully I do this right. So it looks like a very similar setup to your 540 kick. I'm going this way, so drive that up. Come all the way around. It's about here. Mirror, fan, just kind of, okay, so wind up with 540. Ooh, drive that up and jump. Land here. We'll save the kick for later. Let's try to get the spin at first, all right? Is that it? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna take my socks off. Just that barefoot grip, a little bit better on the carpet. Plus, I don't want to slide into this. That'd be devastating. Okay. And out of the way. So, up. Maybe add in like a crappy hook now. Like the guy said, what did he say to do? So it looks like to make it look pretty dang sick, is like I want to drive this knee up, but then like literally drive this knee up too. Around. Then land, and then Do you see that kick? Yeah. What? I'm not the best kicker. Don't have a baby, okay? Oh. And part of me wants to like take this mirror off. I'm not doing that. No, we're just gonna send this. Oh. That was so lame. So I just reviewed that. It looks like I kind of got the motion down and maybe the spin. Two things. It looks like my legs are not as together, giving it that clean look. You know, they're kind of like, well. And then obviously my hook kick looks horrible. Come on. Come on. I can do better than this. Come on. So like watching the example, watching the tutorial, and then watching myself again, I'm realizing maybe, to be honest, maybe if I take off here, maybe honestly, just do like about a 360 back to this foot, but then hook the hook kick off the back of that with like a pivot on the landing. But see, I think I'm trying to come all the way back around to the front right here, and then it's like I do like a hook kick like that. You know, it's harder than solving a Rubik's Cube. Tricking terminology, I tell you. Been working on the cube. I've been working on it. Yeah, that felt so smooth. Okay. Oh. That might have been my cool. Let's check that out. Alright, so I did a few more attempts and I just reviewed those, and it looks like this kick got a little more sloppy, to be honest with you. What I think I'm actually doing, which is making it more sloppy, is I'm actually trying to put too much effort into it, kind of like a 540 kick. Now you might be thinking like, dude, 540, 720, 540 is less than a 720. However, for the 540 kick, to make it look good, it's like, you really gotta like bring the kicking leg up and around, all the way down. But I'm noticing while learning this, it's like more of a spin. And then you put your foot down and then you can do whatever you want out of it. And what I'm trying to do is like a cheat 720 to like a, I guess a hook kick. It's like I need to drive this knee up, and then right when I take off, drive this other knee up. It just gives it that like elevation and makes it look more difficult and cool, in my opinion. Probably need to work on my hook kick. That's probably the problem. Probably because I should probably learn that before. But just like I always do, we're just skipping movement. So less effort. Yeah. That felt smoother. That felt smoother. Ooh, I don't know if that's perfect. Maybe not even a B minus, but C plus. That's good. There we go. That last one. That last one. I just reviewed it. Okay. One more time, maybe. I don't know. No. Ooh. Alright, I'm getting dizzy. Getting there. A few of those final ones right there felt really good. A few of them still felt a little off. I noticed when it looked good on camera, the ones that looked good actually felt good. So not necessarily like I felt like I had a lot of power out of the jump, but I felt more of like a whip. You know what I mean? Like when you know what I mean? Do a 360 and it like whips. Moving on. Cheat 720. Boom. I'm gonna continue to work on that because obviously you guys know that wasn't that good. I think it was way better than when we started. In fact, I think I would say that's a land. That's a land. That's a cheat 720 right there. It felt good. It felt different. I'm stoked to get that. I'm gonna really try to clean that up. I'm gonna say that now, but I'm gonna really try to clean that up so, you know, when the summer comes, I can get back out on the grass. I can maybe make like a quick 5-minute tutorial. I have some ideas to break that down. Other than that, you know, if you want a great tutorial right now, Kojo's Trick Lab. Moving on to the third and final move I'm gonna try to learn today. The cart twist. Oh, frick, that looks kind of hard. Oh man, I'm gonna do that in here. Worst possible scenario will be if I hit the mirror. Second worst possible scenario is if I think my foot like literally hits the doorknob. You know what I mean? Since now I can do air flares, I assume I should be able to learn this, but it looks like it's all twisted up. Oh my gosh. All right, so it's like I'm going in, but I'm not going. Oh wait, I think I do come out that way. Yeah, twist around. Man, I might have to put the mattress down for this one. Oh man, all right. Oh boy. Give this video a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up. How are you gonna get that twisting portion of that? Ooh, there we go. Oh, felt better. Alright, so I reviewed that and like I kinda want more of like a twist. Pop off my arms with like a twist. So I'm gonna try to like twist, come in up here. Oh, but yeah, see I gotta like twist. I'm not used to like twisting backwards like that. So, oh, toe, ow. We're alright. Oh, that felt better. Oh. Oh gosh, what? There we go. Oh. Oh, I think that's way better. Oh, I'm dizzy. Oh, that's better. Oh, that was... So last one, failed it. Didn't get the cart twist, but along the way, trying to learn it, I've come across some new movements that I want to explore. I'm just speaking my truth. What does that even mean? Thank you guys so much for watching this. I am super excited about that Cheat 720. The Cheat 720 with that little crappy hook off the back. That's probably the one I'm most excited out of these three. The first one was super easy to learn, so I'd say anybody could probably learn that right now if you got, you know, decent mobility, really. The cart twist, still need to work on that. If I want to get that down, it looks like I was getting pretty close on the mattress without landing it. Like I was kind of getting the twisting motion, but when it came to the ground, just couldn't get the body over that. I think when the grass is nicer outside, I'll be able to, and I have like more space, more like mental space. I think I've got the foundation to learn that hopefully quickly outside. So I'm excited to learn that outside. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below. What are you guys learning right now? What are you guys into right now? I want to know. How's your tricking, flipping, breaking, calisthenics, micro skills going? What is going on with you guys? So let me know if you want to see more videos like this one, and let me know how you like this video. Now don't forget to subscribe because I am going to be learning a lot more skills, a lot more different skills, tricks, flips, and a ton more stuff, so stay tuned. I'm excited to learn those with you, and I'm excited to make tutorials to teach you guys how to learn them easily too. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day. Peace. I will see you all in the next video.